Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect PL-600. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on PL-600 is: can you discuss the options for integrating Power Virtual Agents chatbots with external systems or services? And how would you approach securely accessing external data from chatbots? Your answer should be: Power Virtual Agents chatbots can integrate with external systems or services via custom connectors, HTTP actions, or Azure services like Azure Functions or Azure Logic Apps. Securely accessing external data involves implementing authentication mechanisms, data encryption, and access controls in chatbot workflows. Our next interview question is: what are the considerations for designing Power Apps solutions for offline scenarios, enabling users to work with data and applications without an internet connection? Your answer should be: designing offline enabled Power Apps involves implementing local data storage, synchronization mechanisms, and conflict resolution strategies. Utilizing features like Power Apps offline capabilities and Azure services like Azure SQL Database ensures seamless offline experiences for users. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power BI datasets for complex data modeling scenarios such as many-to-many relationships or dynamic aggregations? Your answer should be: handling many-to-many relationships in Power BI involves creating bridge tables or using DAX techniques like cross-filtering and bidirectional filtering. For dynamic aggregations, utilizing DAX expressions with functions like calculate and summarize enables flexible data modeling in Power BI datasets. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the role of Microsoft Power FX, formerly known as Canvas Power Apps formulas, in building low-code applications with Power Apps, and how does it simplify app development? Your answer should be: Microsoft Power FX is a low-code programming language used in Power Apps to build formulas for app logic and calculations. It simplifies app development by providing a familiar Excel-like syntax and supporting formula-based expressions for data manipulation and automation. Our next interview question is: what are the options for embedding Power Virtual Agents chatbots into custom web applications or portals, and how do you ensure seamless integration and user experience? Your answer should be: Power Virtual Agents chatbots can be embedded into custom web applications or portals using iframe embed code, direct line integration, or Power Virtual Agents SDK. Ensuring seamless integration involves styling the chatbot interface to match the host application and implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Automate flows for long-running processes or background tasks, ensuring efficient resource utilization and monitoring? Your answer should be: designing asynchronous flows with appropriate trigger mechanisms, implementing batching and pagination for large datasets, and utilizing delay and timeout actions ensures efficient resource utilization and monitoring for long-running processes in Power Automate. Our next interview question is, can you discuss the capabilities of the Power BI REST API and how it enables programmatic access to Power BI resources for automation and integration? Your answer should be the Power BI REST API allows developers to programmatically access Power BI resources such as datasets, reports, and dashboards for automation and integration purposes. It provides endpoints for tasks like data import, report embedding, and managing Power BI artifacts. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.